Welcome to the edusyms enrollment types video tutorial. You will develop a thorough grasp of enrollment types and how to add, update, and/or delete enrollment types in the edusyms back office after watching this video. Go to Manage from the main menu and then to Enrollment Types. The data for all enrollment types will be displayed with options to add new and edit. If necessary, you can delete it using the Edit option. When you select the Edit option, a modal window will appear with the code and description fields, and you can either save or delete it. There is a green button on the top right of the enrollment types data table that allows you to add new enrollment types. That concludes the topic of enrollment types for now. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video, and remember to like, subscribe, and enable notifications on our YouTube channel.